same that goes with cancer. If you feel any kind, not only the children, any adult person, if you're feeling any kind of burning sensation, recurrent ulcers in your mouth opening is getting reduced, that means maybe there are chances that you're having a precancerous lesion or you can be into the grasp of cancer. So first and last, I would just tell everyone and request that be safe, identify the signs, because this is one of the leading diseases in the whole arena where even we doctors become helpless. We cannot help you because it becomes into such a condition where we cannot.
উদ্দেশ্য এই মারণ রোগকে কিভাবে দূরে সরানো যায়। ক্যান্সার সচেতনতা মানে সকলকে এই রোগ সম্বন্ধে বোঝানো, কিভাবে এই রোগ থেকে দূরে থাকতে পারি সেই সম্বন্ধে বোঝানো। আমাদের এই অনুষ্ঠানে যে পথনাটিকাটি হবে সেটিও এই মারণ ব্যাধি নিয়ে। আমাদের রোজকার জীবনের কিছু সাধারণ নিয়ম মেনে চললেই আর কিছু খারাপ অভ্যাস ত্যাগ করলেই আমরা এই মারণ রোগকে কিন্তু দূরে সরিয়ে রাখতে পারবো। আসুন না আমরা সবাই মিলে সেই উদ্যোগ নিয়েই সমাজকে ক্যান্সার মুক্ত করে একটি সুন্দর রোগমুক্ত সমাজ তৈরি করি। ধন্যবাদ।
Hey brothers and sisters, listen carefully for a few minutes.
Where's everyone rushing? What's keeping you all so busy?
Well, if you have already come this far, we won't let you go without hearing something that could save a life.
If it's that serious, then we'll wait. But it better be worth our time. Namaskar and a very good afternoon to everybody present here. We, the students of Aditya Academy, have gathered here today to spread awareness on one of the deadliest diseases. Yes, cancer. Through this Nukkad Natak. So friends, I request everybody to open your eyes and ears as we take you to the story of Amar, Akbar and Anthony. Remember, check it before it wrecks it.
Today we have organized cancer awareness walk by the students followed by a Nukkad Natak because we felt that our students who are also leading the Interact Club in our school, we felt that cancer needs, we need to inculcate a lot of awareness among the people to at least, we want to stop the cancer, but at least we can reduce the number of cancer patients. And I feel that there is a lot to do with the lifestyle that the people are now having because of the sedentary work life, a lot of dependence on the fast food, and there are many other things that are lifestyle choices that lead to cancer. So we felt that if we organize such awareness and with the children, it will help us in the long run, and the children will also get motivated that they are also bringing certain sustainable change in the society itself. My name is Meghna Ghoshal. I am the principal of Aditya Academy Senior Secondary Zamdar.
আজকে আমরা এখানে আমাদের বাচ্চারা এসেছে কারণ আমরা একটা ক্যান্সার অ্যাওয়ারনেস ক্যাম্প টাইপ একটা ব্যাপার করেছি। আজকে এখানে একটা বক হয়েছে, বাচ্চারা প্রথমে সেই বকে পার্টিসিপেট করেছে, পরে আমরা একটা নুক্কড় নাটক করেছি। আমাদের এখানে আজকে প্রধান উদ্দেশ্য হচ্ছে সমাজকে আরেকটু সচেতন করা যে কী ধরনের লাইফস্টাইল, কী ধরনের খাবার, জাঙ্ক ফুড ইত্যাদি আমরা অ্যাভয়েড করলে এই মারণ রোগ থেকে দূরে থাকতে পারবো। কারণ এখন একটা খুব দুঃখের ব্যাপার হচ্ছে অলমোস্ট এভরি ফ্যামিলিতে একজন করে ক্যান্সার পেশেন্ট। তো এই সচেতনতাটা যদি আমাদের বাচ্চাদের থেকে আমরা শুরু করি এবং তারা যদি স্প্রেড করে, আমার মনে হয় এটা সমাজের জন্য খুব ভালো একটা হবে। সেই জন্য আমরা আজকে এটা ব্যবস্থা করেছি।
আমার একটা কোশ্চেন ছিল, general public can help in getting rid of this cancer?
No. General public is a very important part of your state, your country. Administration is taking part, but we also have to be with the administration. Absolutely. Of course.
I feel that it all begins with me. So I will not blame the administration. Cigarettes has been there since we were children. So it is our choice what we want to opt for. But if we are aware, if our children are aware, then they will make a known choice. And I feel that our choice will definitely make a difference. Let us not put the onus on the administration. Let us, if we do not want to go for a fast food, I think no administration can force us. So I feel it's a lifestyle choice which we need to inculcate.
Like in some Western countries or South Asian countries like Singapore and all these things, they are totally banned this type of drugs, tomatoes and all these products. The administration has taken a very initiative part in banning this thing. But in India, we don't see such kind of activities. The government is not stopping all these things. They are implementing GSTs and setting up taxes and all these things, but they are not banning it. They should ban the factory, like chocolate and all these things. And from the root cause, we are going. Otherwise, you can't get it away.
Let us see from the economic perspective. If we are conscious and if we are not going for that, no business can sustain no matter how much support the government gives. So because we cannot do anything that the government is doing. We cannot influence the government policies, but we can change ourselves and it can start from me. That's what I feel.